Hey guys, what is up? So I'm going to take you through, if you guys haven't heard yet, Whitney Simmons has come out with a new palette. It is gorgeous. It comes with, and they're super cute names. So like her highlighter, so it kind of looks like this. There's 6 eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlight. So her highlights Flex, her blush is called Sweat, and then her eyeshadow colors are Cut, Snatch, Tone Up, Trainer, Cardio, and Reps. I think that's adorable because obviously she's all about fitness. And I'm so proud of her about this palette. I just got it today, so I wanted to do it with you guys. So I just played her tutorial on my TV, and I just kind of followed it exactly how she did because I'm obsessed with her look anyways. And sorry, that thing just turned on. So yeah, and she has like a little mini Tarte, her favorite mascara, and it's Maneater, and her favorite lip color, and I love it. But I'm going to take you through the tutorial. If you guys also just go to her tutorial and watch it. It's so good. She just kind of explains everything more in depth, but I just wanted to take you through it. It was so easy to follow, and I absolutely love the colors. So, alright guys, let's go to the video.
I'm so happy. I'm so
Alright guys, so that's kind of it. I just wanted to show you how I was using the palette. I followed exactly her tutorial. I absolutely am obsessed with it, honestly. I always kind of wondered how she did her makeup and how she kind of got that cute little oops in the eyes in the inner corner and everything. I just loved everything about her look. I just don't know how to do it, and I'm actually obsessed with this. I usually just do one color across the whole lid and call it good, but this is so cute. And I never thought I'd be like an orangey type of gal, you know, but it's gorgeous. So yeah, I love it. Let's see if I can bring it closer. And the lighting is not the best. Let's see.
my heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
So yeah, I really like it, guys, but I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just super quick, just super simple. Like, it's just like a video that I just wanted to do because I just love Whitney Simmons. She means the world to me. She kind of started me on my whole fitness, health thing back in college, and so I've just been obsessed with her ever since. So I support her, and I'm so proud of her in this palette. Yeah, so I'm obsessed. I just want to make this video really quick and try out her new palette and just bring you guys with me. I love it. So thanks guys for watching.